Hey everybody, William Miller, National Brand Manager with Heartland RV, and I'm happy to have Todd Kuchera here. He is the Regional Sales Manager for Bighorn. I want to tell all of the customers about Bighorn, regardless of the floor plan. What are the features that they can expect in every single unit that we make?
You're gonna get the 2 layers of Asdale sidewall. You'll also have the Superstore more storage, which gives you 3 access points and 30% more storage. I have a firebox on the bottom for a generator. So you're ready to go with the generator already. And as long as we're talking about boondocking, you do come with 2 30-pound propane tanks, but there's room in here for 40s. Plus we're prepped for solar on the roof. Now if you want at the factory, we can actually install 300 watts of solar for you as well.
Wow, so if they want that solar then, do they request that by the nearest authorized Bighorn dealer?
Absolutely. We have the strut assist now, so you can pick this up with just a finger.
Okay.
Nice and easy. We have a larger grab handle too, so it's easier to get up into your coach. And still, if that's not enough for you, with the more ride steps, you can actually add another handle as well. Now we'll just fold into the coach, and your local dealer can take care of this for you.
This looks like a very wide entry.
Yes, absolutely. It's great for bringing in extra groceries and everything else. You don't have to do that side shuffle to get inside.
Talk about these windows.
We've been running frameless windows for a long time at Bighorn. We're continuing to do so. It looks really, really nice. We leave it open and it rains, it's not going to let water inside. You also can get frameless windows in dual pane too. So if you are in the northern climate and want that extra warmth, we can do that for you.
Let's talk about getting to that destination safely with security.
It's definitely key. We have to remember these are mobile. They're going from spot to spot. So we use 7,000-pound Dexter axles. We use G-range tires, which are 14 ply. And then we use the Moride CRE 3000 suspension system, which is one of the only suspension systems that travels vertically up and down. So the way it was described to me before is if you have a hot cup of coffee and you go over a bump, are you going to lift it up or are you going to push it forward? You're going to lift it up, and that's what the suspension does for you.
There's a lot more features that we want you guys to check out, and if you have more questions,
To see the new floor plans and to see the new pictures of everything, go to heartlandrvs.com.